Yeah, right.
All right, tonight we're going to check out a Audi A3. I know maybe it doesn't sound like anything special. It's just a 4-door wagon, right? Wrong. This thing's crazy. Bigger than stock turbo, pushing over 400 horsepower, 2.0 turbo. It's bag, wide, low, fast, and loud. It's what we all want in a car. It's gonna be cool. Stay tuned. Comment below which car you want to see next. This is really what I want to be doing with this channel, so I'm really excited that I actually get to do this. It's gonna be fun. I can't wait. Let's do it.
My favorite is 30 miles an hour dropping a second.
30 miles an hour to second?
Yeah.